without preload, you can see it will give a white color. If I want to increase the font size, I can do with property font size. In this font size, I can give some size as 14. There was no change for 14. Let's give something like 30. Okay, you can see the changes over here. Yes, it's pretty big, 95. Similarly, we can give color to this font size. It will have color, and this color will call for color store. Okay, but if I say by usability that this plus doesn't signifies anything to me. Okay, so let's add a text below it. So as I mentioned, this is a column, and then you have expanded. You have broke this particular thing into three parts. Okay, where this have the 30%, 3 plus 1. Okay, so you can add this 3 1 1, so it's total of 5. Okay, so from 5 it have around 60% in it. The insurance app text will take 60% of the bit, and rest both will take 20%. Okay, so what we will do is that this is a particular row, and I have to add a text below this add icon. Okay, so it will come under column. I hope you people are able to visualize it. If not, please mention to me. So what I will do is, I have this particular row. In this particular expanded, okay, I have a icon, but in this icon, I want a text. So I will convert it into a column. Okay, so I will wrap it around a column. In this column, first I will have a icon, okay, and below it I will have a text view. First is add. Similarly, we will wrap this around a column. Below it, I'll put text of view. And you can see there are some text, but they are little aligned to the top. Okay, so for that, what we will do, we will use a property called cross-axis alignment. Cross-axis alignment works vertically toward. Okay, so over here we will see it's towards the center. Okay, and see the difference. And so you might ask that we have added this cross-axis alignment to the center, but this particular thing is still not in the center. Okay, so this is because we have a particular row, okay, and this row is the parent, and this parent is not mentioning where to align this particular things. Okay, so this column is in general taking this much of the space, okay, and not the entire. Therefore, it is aligning it to the center, but we are not able to see it. Okay, so let's try to achieve that. Main axis alignment. So main axis alignment will work opposite to the cross axis alignment towards the center. Okay, and then the cross axis alignment towards the center.